The Chairman, Board of Trustees of the Tertiary Education Trust Fund, Right Honorable Bello Masari, has announced plans by the fund to develop a comprehensive security master plan for tertiary institutions across the country. Masari disclosed this at the opening ceremony of a two-day workshop on campus security held in Abuja. The former Governor of Katsina highlighted the growing security threat facing tertiary institutions, including banditry, kidnapping, and cyber intrusion, and assured that the proposed master plan will strengthen prevention, detention, and response mechanisms within campuses.
Our institutions are not just centers of learning. They are national assets and the critical engines for producing the high-level manpower that drives inclusive growth, stability, and sustainable development. Their protection, therefore, a non-negotiable national obligation.
In his remarks, the Executive Secretary of TETFund, Architect Sonny Echono, expressed concern over the porous security architecture in several institutions, which he said makes them vulnerable to criminal attacks.
Ultimately, to develop a master plan, a security master plan for our campuses, so that each actor, every person on our campus is acutely aware of how to prevent an invasion of the campus. And if for the unfortunate occurrence that this happens, how do you behave? How do you act? What do you do? To limit impact.
The workshop, attended by heads of tertiary institutions, deans of student affairs, chief security officers, ICT professionals, security analysts, and representatives of law enforcement agencies, is expected to produce a unified security master plan for Nigeria's tertiary education sector. CNN News.